So let's come around to the inside. I'm doing quite a bit of work on this already. I've only had it a week. Alright, and then let's jump inside. So here she is. So it's got Series 1 RS Turbo door cards in it, Series 1 RS Turbo seats, steering wheel, that's the grille that was in it, and just not my cup of tea. That's the other door card. It's a spare rear light gasket. Right. Typical Mark 3 dashboard. A couple of cracks in the top, but nothing too bad on this one. So yeah, just the top of the dash up there's cracked, which we will be repairing. I've recently fixed the speaker covers here, repainted them. Wanted this side trim out here. I just need to put the screws back in it. The screws aren't in there at the moment. I had to drill out and tap a thread into this screw here because that snapped off. So that's what I've just done. That's what the tap sets there. So you can see there's a seat missing, and here it is. I've stripped this down, I've fixed it. There is a video on that coming out very soon. It's got the Series 1 seats in the back. The roof's in very good condition. The whole car needs a clean. It's just a bit old, but it's not too bad considering it's 35 years old. Like I say, 54,000 miles, and that's genuine. I've got loads of old MOTs and stuff to back that up. And then as we come across the car, I've got these 14-inch RS wheels on it, which I've got a set of 16-inch wheels that I will be putting on there. The car is already, I can't see it from under, the car's lowered anyway. It's on different suspension. It's got the exhaust on there and the spoiler. Right, so start at the front. There's a new steering linkage there, I've already got that to go in it. So what we're going to be doing with this car, stripping down all the engine bay. We're going for a smoothed engine bay, so washer bottles disappearing, the coil will be hidden around the back of the engine, the battery's disappearing. We're getting rid of the air intake up here. I'm taking the heaters out of it. It's a summer car, I don't care. So the heater and everything will be coming out of it, so that's going smooth. The wiper motor's coming out. The fuse box there will be going inside the car, and that'll be getting smoothed. All the wiring running around the engine bay will all be taken out and hidden. This engine is being kept in here, keeping it CVH 1.6. I've already got an aftermarket manifold coming for this, so I'll have a full exhaust system. This is the K-Tronic MFI injection system. All of this is coming out, and bike carbs are going on there. So you'll see a set of bike carbs replacing everything that's here at the moment. And there's a lot of fuel injection system in this car. It covers everything over there, all the way around to there. So all of that will be coming out, and you'll just have a set of carbs up there. So that'll be the bike carbs, exhaust manifold, light and flywheel. I'm going to polish and port the head. We're going to skim the head, up the compression. It's had a new clutch in it not that long ago, so the clutch should be fine for what we're doing. Then round to the outside. All the bodywork's getting sorted out. I'm doing that at the moment. The wheels, I've got a set of 16-inch Focus mk3 wheels that are going to go on here. They look really nice, flat face, 16-inch wheel. I'll have a look at the suspension when we get that all out, and we'll see what we're going to do with the suspension. So it's going to have some nice 16s on it. Might lower it a little bit more. So the engine bay is getting super tidied, super clean, nice performance mods. That's a quick shift out of a street car that's going in here, because the one that's in here is super sloppy at the moment. So that's going to get super sorted up. The roof just needs a little bit of attention, just a bit of tightening up here and there. Interior wise, it's just going to get cleaned up, sorted out, fix the seat. Once that seat's all put back together and in, Then I'll be taking this one out, cleaning this all and fixing this seat up and putting this back in. Just fixing things like the side bolsters where they've gone a bit funny and stuff like that. Just get all the interior back together. I've got everything here for it. It's just a case of putting it all back in. And that's about it really. The interior is going to be super simple, original OEM. I might put some electric windows in it. I've got central door locking kit coming for this car. I've got a total closure remote start alarm coming. I've already got, I've just got to fit it. So the car will have a remote start, immobiliser, alarm, all the fun and games that you have with a top spec alarm. So that'll be coming. There's the cover for the back, which is a white cover. And yeah, the inside's already got some nice Phoenix Gold audio in here. Pioneer head unit. It's got some Sony speakers in the front. I will be doing an install, but that's a long way down the road yet. My background is car audio and alarm systems, and I am a auto electrician by trade, so we will be sorting out all the electrics. I've got this pocket out here because I was trying to trace what this relay here was for, and just chasing relays, and fitted some other bits and sorted out the steering column, and I've already done loads of bits to this since I've had it. So but yes, there we go. Focus damping. That's the new project car for the channel. So if you like your Escorts, then subscribe, and yeah, just keep watching, because there will be a lot more content coming out on this car as the year goes on. And like I say, I've already filmed a bit already. So yeah, hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.